Okay, this is the first time I'm gonna try the Blue Eddy with a small coffee pot. I haven't tried this out yet, so I don't know if it has enough power to do it or not. So let's turn this on. Oops, let's turn this on. Okay, so from last night, all the charging I did, and I had lights up back there too, and it only got down to 72%, so that's pretty good. So let's turn this on. Okay. Okay. Well, just saw it won't do that. So no coffee. Yeah, that thing's going way up there. 673. Yeah, can't do a coffee maker. Well, the video before this was me making cowboy coffee. I guess maybe I should have had these two videos switched, because this was actually the first video when I was attempting to make cowboy coffee and found out that coffee makers require a lot of energy. So, I guess that's a Nix 9. We ain't gonna do that, and we'll go on to making my breakfast. And I'm actually pretty hungry today. That SpaghettiOs or whatever it is I ate the other day, that was really pretty much all I ate the whole day. And I am really starving, and it is real cold, and I am making a Filipino power pack breakfast. It's gonna be rice, which it was instant rice, so have to apologize that to all my Filipino family there, Asians. Yeah, I brought the instant rice out here. I didn't have enough power to use a rice cooker, and no, I did not want to boil it the old-fashioned way. So I got the rice, spam, another staple for Filipinos. Rice, spam, and eggs. And what I'm going to do is cook it all up and put it in a pot, and that should give me enough energy for the whole day. And I actually ate the whole thing. I have never ate a whole can of spam, and today I'm going to do that. And it gave me enough energy for the whole day. I also forgot that while I was boiling that rice in the bag, I threw some whole carrots in there. So actually, this is going to be spam, rice, eggs, and boiled carrots. And that's my power pack fishing breakfast. Now let's get on to the river and catch some rainbow trout. Well, since I camped out here, I'm pretty much one of the first people out here in the morning. And there is actually a couple people out here this early, braving the freezing weather. It didn't freeze up the lake, but it frosted up everything. And this is such a just a beautiful, peaceful sight, especially in the winter when you don't have all those uh, summer people just splashing in the water. This is just such a peaceful place to be at that I'm just gonna go ahead and shut up and find some very peaceful nature, relaxing music, and let you watch my fishing. All in all, we caught 4 fish. I do know that first fish was a perch, or we call that a perch in Texas, anything looking like that. I know technically it's probably a bluegill, brim, or sunfish, something like that. But I call it perch. And that's going to come out to a very tasty fish fry for me. I'd like to thank everybody that watched the whole video. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Share this on your social media with your friends. And from Barton's RVing, we just like to thank you. And you guys just take it easy. We'll see you down the road.